Hello guys. So you are just beginning your electronics projects and you are new to electronics and you want a stable power supply to power up your projects or test your circuits to use on breadboard, and you don't want to buy ready-made power supply or commercial batteries, rechargeable batteries, and you want to just build something. Okay, so here it is. Here is an example of how you can achieve a kind of stable power somewhere from 1.5 to up to 25, depending on the transformer you use. Amperage also depends on the transformer you use, but it is variable. So to achieve that, we use LM317. I don't know if you're gonna pick it up. No, the camera is not picking it up. But this is LM317. It's a voltage regulator. It's a very simple circuit. This is the very first one that I made. It looks very untidy, and it is, but it's working for me now. Now I'm gonna show you what I have here. This is the DC input from the transformer. This is the bridge rectifier, 4 diodes, and this is a indicator LED and a 2200 microfarad 50 volt capacitor to smooth out the current. This is out from the transformer. This is not variable, it's direct 12 volt coming out of the transformer, rectified current coming out of the bridge rectifier and the capacitor. And here I have the LM317, and from this potentiometer I'm gonna we can control the current. Okay, so as I said earlier, it looks kind of ugly, not very neatly put together. Cool. But now I've done this. This is same circuit without, you can see the comparison. This is the same circuit, and this is also the same with the bridge rectifier. This is the bridge rectifier, and some people say full bridge rectifier, and this is the indicator LED. This is the same 2250 volt microfarad capacitor, and it's LM317, as simple as it gets. And if you are imagining where the potentiometer is, it's up here, and it's the individual on off, and this is the transformer, 12 half ampere transformer, because I don't need that much power for testing out my electronics project. If I want, I have 1 ampere and 2 ampere power supply separately made, and this is to control the current, and this is the output. Okay, so coming back to this, it's a very simple and easy circuit to build. For beginners, they can also build it, and yeah, I think we're gonna make this one today, and I'm gonna take you step by step and how to make it, and yeah, we're gonna do that. Okay, so now you're gonna need a blank PCB board, a capacitor, resistors, LM317, some LEDs, and a transformer, and a couple 4 diodes, and a potentiometer to manage the current. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so this is how you're gonna place the diodes. Okay, these are simple 4007 diodes, and from the back, there you go. This will be the input. These two capacitors, first and second, DC input. This is also DC input. No matter where you put what, These both are the DC input, and the center two are positive output, and the side ones both are negative. Combined, they will go to the capacitor and the resistor and a LED indicator LED. Okay, so now I'm gonna solder this and show you what it looks like. Okay, so these two will be the input and this center one will be the positive, and these two combined, I'll solder them later, will be the negative. Positive, negative, and these two will be the input, and these two leads are the from the capacitor. Okay, I am using a 3325 volt capacitor for smoother current. The higher the value of the capacitor, the more smooth current is there. Okay, so the short lead is negative, the long lead is positive, and we are gonna connect this to the positive of the capacitor to the center, and negative to this longer negative side, and we're gonna connect an LED, an indicator LED. Then we're gonna start with the construction of LM317, wiring of LM317. Okay, so now I have connected a LED, red LED with a 680 ohm resistor, positive to the center and negative to the negative side of the capacitor. And this bridge we are seeing, this is the negative and this is the LED going to the negative. Okay, so yeah, this is it. Now it's time to mount the LM317. Okay, I have mounted the LM317 and I have connected a 1 kilo ohm resistor from pin 1 to pin 2 and pin 3 to the positive of the capacitor. Now we're gonna wire up the potentiometer and we're gonna see the output of the variable output of the LM317. Okay, so this is the final product, what it looks like. I didn't use this kind of potentiometer because I don't have it this point of time, but I did have the 10K preset, so for just this video purpose I'm gonna use this to okay, so now I'm gonna explain you the wiring. Pin 3 is voltage in, center pin is voltage out, and the first pin is goes to the potentiometer, and ground goes to another side of the potentiometer and out. We're gonna see the voltage out of this LM317. Okay, so here we go. Power set up the wiring. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna power it up, and it started. The indicator light is on, and we have 1.25 to 6 volts at the voltmeter. And now if I anti-clockwise turn the potentiometer, you can see it rises, it rises, it rises, it rises, and it rises. But wait, it goes to 16 volts because there is no load to the circuit. When the load is connected, it goes to normal, and if I slowly move it clockwise, you can see the voltage going down and it reaches 1.25 to 6 volt. So this is very easy, and it's powering it with a 1 amp transformer, and this is very easy LM317 circuit. If you enjoyed it, learned anything from it, or you have anything to criticize that I've done wrong, please feel free to comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. It's an NSP approved experiment or a project.